Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making a USB installer of macOS 10.14 Mojave for Hackintosh systems. For the interest of full disclosure, this video is for educational purposes only. Let's get started. First, open the Mac App Store, then go to the Mojave download page. Go ahead and download, but do not install this. Now we want to plug in a flash drive and format it using Disk Utility. Open up Disk Utility, then in the top left corner, click the Sidebar Options menu and select Show All Devices. Then select your USB drive. We will then click the Erase button and name the drive USB. We will also make sure the drive's format is macOS Extended Journaled and the scheme is set to GUID partition map. Then we can press the Erase button. Keep in mind, all the files on the drive will be deleted in this process. Now, we open up Terminal to run the createinstallmedia command. Copy the command found in the description below and paste it into Terminal. Once you've pasted it in, go ahead and press Enter on your keyboard. Terminal will then ask you for your account password. As you type it in, it will not show you typing, but you still are. Once you've entered your password, press Enter. You're now copying over the install files to the USB drive. Now that the installer files have finished copying over, we need to download and install the required files to make the drive bootable. You can find links to these files in the description below. You will need fakesmc.txt, generic USB xhci.txt, USB injectall.txt, and the Clover EFI bootloader. I also downloaded the Ethernet kex that matches my network chipset. If you don't already have a config.plist file, then download my pre-configured one. This will prevent some issues when booting. Now we move on to installing the Clover EFI bootloader. First, open the install file, press continue, then change install location. This step is vital as you don't want to install this to your computer, but the USB drive instead. Click onto your USB drive, then press continue. Next, press customize and have these options checked. If you want a more in-depth summary of what needs to be checked, visit the install guide on the Mark with Tech forum below. And finally, it's time to open up the EFI partition of the USB drive. In here, open the EFI folder, then Clover. You'll want to replace the config.plist file now. Once you do that, open the kex folder, then Other. In here, drop in the .kex files that you need for your system. Once all that is done, you can now boot up your newly made drive. If you have any issues, please post your issues on the Mark with Tech forum. Me, as well as some other people, will gladly assist you with your issues. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe for more semi-annually produced Hackintosh content, and I hope you guys have a great day.